Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own menu screen. So I've already made another tutorial, so if you continue liking these tutorials, I'll probably make more of them from what I know anyway, the simple stuff that I know. But say you have a game, right? Like any game. But you also want your menu screen. You want like a menu screen so people can like click play and they can do other stuff. Right now we're only going to focus on the play thing because the other stuff requires more scripting. And it depends with the play. You probably also really need a play for every single game. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna need these two tabs, the properties and the explorer. So the explorer does is let you like browse everything, look all your stuff, and the properties like the properties of whatever you're clicking. So what we're gonna do and how you get them is you just click here, go to view, click on explorer and properties. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to start a GUI in the explorer, which is this, and we're gonna insert a screen GUI. This is you can't see it right now, but there's now like this GUI. See how my mouse changes? It's like a GUI. And now you can add stuff here too. If you can click these buttons if you want to, like you click these buttons, or you can just click this plus button, and you can start adding stuff. I'm gonna add a frame right now because that makes it easier to. A frame makes it easier in my opinion, but you don't have to add a frame. But I recommend adding one. So you have a frame right here. Right? You can make it cover the entire screen if you want. Like that. And then you can create something. You can create like a text label. And this might say, hang on. Oh. And this might say something like let's say I don't know. If you put it here, if you go down to properties, we can change the text label to say, I don't know, like your game name here. Yeah, put your game name, whatever. I'm just gonna name it fight, cause why not? Also change how it looks using all these properties. You can change the text color. You can change how the font looks. Make it like that. And you can also change how the background looks and a bunch of other stuff along with that too. I'm gonna title for this. I don't know. And now you want to create a text button. Now, the difference between a text label and text button, keep in mind, guys, this is the very simplest of screens. You can't really do anything else with this, and it might not work in everything, but it's just a very basic screen that you can do very quickly. And then, of course, you can upgrade it and add new features and everything. So, what is the difference between this text label and text button? A text label, you can't click it. You see, only if I have in Studio, I can click it. But text button, you can like click it and stuff. And now we're gonna change the text, or you can go over here and down again something, and now we can change it to, I don't know, play. And so when they click this button, now what we're gonna do is insert a script. So when they click this button, this whole screen disappears, and we're gonna do this. Now to do this is actually not very hard. We just need a script. Just gonna use a script. We can use a script. And then we can just add some stuff. So first you need to define a few variables. Number one is you need to get the frame and the button. Those are the two main variables. So frame will just do script.parent, and for local button, or you can name what variables, whatever you guys want. But keep in mind you have to remember these. And then the next one we can do equals frame.text button. So now what we're going to do is make a function. So this function will run when the user has clicked our button right here, when they have clicked this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do button dot mouse button one click. You can do like right clicks and everything like that, but this is like the main thing. So you wanna do mouse button one click, and you're gonna need to connect, and then you do connect, and then you're gonna put the function. And I'm gonna put a player parameter just in case. And now we have the end. And now what we want to do, guys, is we want to get the frame, and frame dot visible, which makes it visible, equals false. So the entire thing goes away. Now let's test our script in the main menu. If we play the game, and we try clicking it, as you can see, it goes away, and then we can play the game, whatever your game is. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.